Guys, I want to let y'all know I went to bed at 5 o'clock last night. So let me tell you how my morning is going. So I took a 5-hour energy at about 10 o'clock last night. And unfortunately, I was not able to fall asleep until about 5:30 this morning. Physically unable to fall asleep until about 5:30 this morning. And I woke up at 6:45. So running off an hour of sleep. I feel like absolute crap. You guys ever notice how the 5-hour energy almost gives you like a hangover? It like I'm just, oh my goodness. If you guys just know how today is just not going to be fun. It's not gonna be that's what I'm working with. I'm in the Chick-fil-A drive-thru because I need to find some way to just get myself out of this funk, get myself back into a, find something positive to start the day off. I'm sure you guys can tell. I mean, I'm sure I look like death right now. My hair is just just all over the place, and it's bad. It's bad, but we're gonna find a way to get this bread today, and we're gonna find something awesome to bring to the channel today. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, join the bread gang. I want you guys to know every day, regardless of the circumstances, we are making positive, we are making big just moves. We are doing positive things on this channel. I don't care what happens today. I don't care what happens today. I'm putting it in the vlog so I do not forget. Those are not my brakes squeaking like that. No, don't play me like that. Those are not my brakes. I'm cutting the grass today. I got the lawnmower back there. I am cutting the grass today. Mark my words. So kind of a funny story. So I'm going through the drive-thru at Chick-fil-A. There's a lot of the same people that work at the Chick-fil-A every morning. And my Instagram is right here on the corner of the window. So obviously they can see it when they come through. I'm eye level with them just because how tall my truck is. And I go through and I'm just like, she's like, hey, how's it going? I'm like, man, it's rough. I didn't go to sleep till 5:30, blah, blah, blah. And she's just like, yeah, I saw your Instagram. You're really obsessed with trucks. And I'm like, what? Is that what I've become? Is that what this channel's become? Or are we just obsessed with trucks now? Is that how my life is going? We're wearing headbands and we're obsessed with trucks. What a life.
If you look real closely, it's a wild lance in its natural habitat. Oh, look, and a bean. A natural bean. A wild bean in its natural habitat. I've never seen one in the wild before. How majestic.
He's gonna hate me for that one. My Ford guys are gonna love me today because we got this beautiful little Thunderbird sitting out here today, but also 755 horsepower Ford F150 Shelby Ford F150 with the 26-inch Forgiatos with the 35 1350 26s. I mean, it's a Ford Raptor Shelby 750 horsepower, but it's also got Forgiatos on it, which is pretty cool. My Ford guys are really gonna like me today for posting this content. Love the Fox shocks. I've heard these things ride amazing. It's probably stupid fast. It's gotta be. Hopefully we'll be able to come back and get a better look at it later though. Lance is actually gonna get to work on the Shelby truck today. So it is a Shelby F150 with the 26x12. Whoa! With the 26x12 inch Forgiatos that's now shifting on the rack. That's not good. Don't do that. What the hell kind of tires are these? Pioneer MTs. Look how, like, that's so just, no. Supercharged. It's got a huge, like, just this huge front end. It's way too big. The front end's way too big. Apparently, Shelby F150 755 horsepower.
I would say it's about
apparently 755 horsepower. Allegedly. It is a Ford. Okay, here we go. Finished product. Yes, sir. Back in the game, man. Clean, bro. Did y'all like that Ford today? What about Steph? Huge shout out to my boy Steph. I don't know why my camera's still fogging up. It's always fogging up. Huge shout out to my boy Steph for getting me right with the haircut today. He got me in last minute, and it looks absolutely amazing. He always does an amazing job. If you guys are in this area, make sure to hit up Steph Styles ATL on Instagram. Book something with him ASAP. Look at how like foggy this is right now. This is so weird. I'm gonna leave it because it's kind of cool. It's like, ooh. So we got the grass cut today. We finally got Rhonda Pushy working. We got Rhonda. Good old Rhonda. Gotta love Rhonda, man. Rhonda's my lawnmower, my pushing lawnmower, and she's been working good. So we finally got the grass cut, got my hair cut, got the video done for today. Posted. Had a buddy of mine come to the shop at work yesterday, so you know, subscriber came to the job video. You know how those go. Awesome. You know, love Reed. Make sure y'all go check him out on Instagram. Hopefully, I'll put his Instagram somewhere in the video. I would assume so. But we're headed to go, we gotta make one more trip out tonight. So last night, I think I maybe said it in this video or whatever it was, I got 1 hour of sleep last night. I fell asleep at 5:30 in the morning. My alarm clock went off at 6:30. So literally I'm running off of 1 hour of sleep right now. And it's already 11 o'clock. So by the time I go where I need to go and come back, it's gonna be 12. And I'm gonna try and be in bed by 12 o'clock. That's the goal tonight. So let's go. What's going on today, Bread Gang? Welcome back to the channel. So you guys yesterday really seemed to like the positive vibes starting off the video, and I want to let you guys know something. For a lot of you that wake up and you don't want to go to work, you're not motivated, you don't want to get out there and do something, let me give you a tip. Let me give you one little piece of advice. Find something in the morning that takes you to that positive place. Find something, just anything, even if it's the smallest little thing. You guys probably wonder, why do I go to Chick-fil-A every single morning? And honestly, it's because I want to get a sweet tea. The sweet tea, it's cold, I like it, it's sugary, and I honestly, at this point, it probably has no like energy value to it. It's all mental. I come because the sweet tea, it's part of my routine. It's part of the, it's one little small thing that I like throughout the day that just helps keep me motivated and keep me moving forward. Find something small. Sweet tea's $2, like $2.50. I mean, that's not that bad. You know, it could be a lot worse. Find something small that you guys can just focus on in the morning. Find something small to help take you from that negative, just kind of to taking you to let's get some bread today.
No, go ahead. We're not videotaping it.
One thing I can tell you for sure is we do whatever it takes to get the job done here at Weaver Brake and Tire, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. I can't record that. Can I at least show them what's going on here? There's a breathalyzer on this sweet peach of a car. Just absolute sweet peach of a car.
Come on, Davis.
Put your mouth on it. Okay, I'm sorry.
Come on, Davis. Don't get shy now. It's time to perform, Davis.
I think this is paint. This is paint? I think so. I mean, it's kind of cool. It's got a 5.7 in it, whatever the hell this little car is. Station wagon. A Caprice what? Station wagon. Crazy ass paint job. With the 5.7. That's horsepower, Bean. Horsepower.